The difference between high-ticket buyers and low-ticket buyers. The fundamental difference between high-ticket buyers and low-ticket buyers is that high-ticket buyers are more willing to spend more money on a single purchase than low-ticket buyers. This willingness to spend more money can be due to a variety of factors, such as a higher perceived value of the product or service, a greater need for the product or service, or simply a higher disposable income. High-ticket buyers are often more savvy and discerning than low-ticket buyers, and as such, they are often willing to pay a premium for a product or service that they know is of high quality. They are also more likely to be repeat customers, as they are generally satisfied with the products or services they purchase and are willing to pay for the same high level of quality again. Low-ticket buyers, on the other hand, are more likely to be one-time customers or to purchase products or services that they perceive to be of lower quality. They may also be more price-sensitive, and as such, may be more likely to shop around for the best deal. In general, high-ticket buyers are more valuable to businesses than low-ticket buyers, as they are more likely to make repeat purchases and to recommend the business to others. Therefore, businesses should focus on attracting and retaining high-ticket buyers, rather than trying to attract low-ticket buyers who are less likely to be satisfied with their purchases.